Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going on a little nature hike, so a little nature adventure, and we thought it would be really awesome to just show you guys what it's like. We're here at Hennops, which is not too far out of Joburg and Pretoria, and yeah, it should be fun.
Yeah, today we're going on the slightly shorter hike. I just want to see what it's like before tackling the longer hike. I think there's 3, I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, we definitely want to do the longer ones later on if this one goes well. So yeah, let's bring you along.
Hope you enjoy. Okay guys, so quick update. We just saw some zebra and wildebeest, or as I like to call them, zeebies and wilties, and we might venture a little bit of trail to go and find them, but we'll see what happens.
Yeah.
Okay, we have successfully found the wildies and the zeebies. Hopefully you guys can see them. I think the coolest part about being on this hike is to know that they're on foot and so are you, compared to being in like a park of some kind, like a national park, where you would be in a car. You just kind of, you feel equal to them, and they're really beautiful and really awesome to watch.
we just finished the hike. It was super fun, super awesome. As you guys saw, got lots of zebras and wildebeest up close, which was really cool. Definitely keen to come here again to try out the longer hike. I think that'll be epic.
Yeah, so like I said at the beginning, it's really close to people that live in Joburg and Pretoria, so if anyone's looking to do like a nature hike or whatever, I definitely highly recommend this place. It was really awesome. It was also a little bit challenging. I'm sure the longer one will be a lot more challenging. We even saw people jogging on the trail, and there's even a cycling trail and an off-road trail, so definitely check it out. Hashtag this is not sponsored, even though it sounds like it. This is just part of our adventure, and the next part of our adventure is we're heading off to Hartbeespoort, which is not far from here, just another 20-minute drive or so, and we're gonna go have lunch there. So we'll see you guys there.
Yeah.
Meus amigos falam que eu já estou demais, mas é somente ela que me satisfaz. É somente ela que me satisfaz. É somente ela que me satisfaz.
So we are finally back from our super adventurous day. The restaurant that we went to after our hike that you guys saw was a Mozambican restaurant that's just outside of Hartbeespoort. It's called Laurentina, and I think we really both enjoyed it. It was just such a super colorful restaurant, which is really like eye-catching, and the art that they had on their walls was really awesome, and just their whole like outlook was cool. And also they had live music, which is always fun, and they were really good at what they did. So check the description below to see what their website is if you want to like see more about them, because they were really talented, really good voices, and just really good music in general.
Yeah, live music definitely brought a great and fun vibe to the restaurant. Food was good as well.
Really good.
Just the whole atmosphere was really good, so definitely want to go back there again.
Yeah, because it's Portuguese music. Yes, it was Portuguese music, but it's also Portuguese food.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was Portuguese food, which, I mean, it's always good.
Yeah.
It's good.
And I mean, we're Portuguese, so obviously we're gonna love it.
I mean, did you not know that?
Yeah. But yeah, so yeah, it was super good, like I said. Hope you guys liked this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and come visit us again for our next adventure.
We'll see you guys then.
Yeah.
Bye!